Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for joining me for today's tutorial. So today we're going to be making the Geo Christmas cracker from Simply Made Crafts. I absolutely love this one. It is quite unusual and a lot of fun to kind of make and also decorate your table with as well. So it is quite diddy, but it's quite wide, so you can fit quite a few things in there. So this one was made by Vicky and she made a wonderful job here with some white pearlescent cardstock on there, and she's used the snowflake that comes with it. We also get a Christmas tree and a star. So here is the die set. So this is all in one. As you can see, it's going to cut everything out all in one, and then you have your accent die. So you are going to be needing a large format die cutting machine, and again we have instructions on the back, and I've used the beautiful papers from the Holly Jolly collection. Here they are. We're going to be making I think I've got this one cut out already, so we're going to be doing that. So run this through. You need a large format, again like an A4 machine. That'll be perfect for this. And here we go. So let's clear the decks and I will show you exactly how to put this together. So I have already cut this out, and I don't know whether you'll be able to see because it's quite bright in here. I have already folded all of those score lines. So this one bends inwards, the diamonds, those bend inwards, and then everything else is folded the other way. Alright, and another thing that I've done is I've just added, this is the easiest way to put this cracker together, is to use red tape, and I've already put those on the tabs just there. So let's get those removed. So you can make a whole bunch of these in advance. You can leave them flat until you're ready to put these together. There we go. So I'm just going to roll this around, and we're going to start at the top. Join that together. You can pop your fingers through the little holes there just to help you position things. There we go. This is why the red tape is so much easier than using glue for this type of project. There we go. That is that cracker popped together. So these will all bend inwards. Just make sure everything is folded where it needs to be folded. There we go. Right, so pop your things in here. If you're finding that this hole is easier to show you on this darker one here. So if you do find your hole is a little bit too large, you can always pop inside here just a circle, just a die cut circle or a punch or something, just in there to secure anything that may fall out, but any larger gifts will be absolutely fine. Okay, let me know down in the comments what you would put in your cracker. I would love to know. Okay, so let's decorate this now. So I'm going to have my ribbon. I am going to just tie knots. I know I get comments on here on people saying, oh no, a bow will be so much easier, but just for ease I'm just going to tie a knot just for this video. If you want to tie a bow for the real thing you can do, but the tradition is you pull these crackers and you break them. So it all depends on what instructions you give them. You know, you can say you can pull them apart and break them, that's fine, or you can say, could you just carefully just open them, just undo the ribbons. It's absolutely up to you. Okay, isn't that pretty? I absolutely love that. So let's get this decorated now. So I have here, I think I might have done the wrong Christmas tree colour. Yeah, I'm going to change this Christmas tree to something. I have more of a matching cardstock there, and I'm going to just cut this out. I'm just going to quickly use my Big Shot. Okay, so I've just got a circle there. Where's the cracker? Here it is. So let's layer this up. I am going to use some foam pads, so I always use my Tim Holtz scissors here for that sort of thing, because they're Teflon coated, and along the sides of here the blades do pick up a little bit of stickiness from your trimming, so that is sticking out just ever so slightly, so I might be able to bend that round. There we go. Right, let's pop this onto the circle. Again, if you want to add any words as well, we do have the Christmas words die set, so I'll be adding a couple of things onto there as well. So we have joy to the world, Merry Christmas, Christmas wishes, and we have the shadows for that too. What am I thinking? I have another sample that I haven't shown you. It's because I haven't finished it off yet. I need to add some ribbon, so I'm just waiting for an order of ribbon to come in so I can finish off the rest of these samples. But there you go, there is the joy to the world using those words with the shadow on as well. So absolutely loving these. These are going to look absolutely gorgeous on your table. Okay, let's get this added now. Again, another foam pad. Just going to pop that just on there. There we go. Isn't that really pretty? It's a bit bright in here, so maybe we'll turn that down a bit so it's not washing out the colours, but this is a very vibrant pink poinsettia there. So there we go. There is the Geo cracker. Going to look absolutely stunning on your Christmas displays. You can decorate your tree with them. There are so many different things that you can do with this cracker, and I would absolutely love to see your crackers if you make them. So if you want to join my Facebook group, which is Paper Crafting with Helen Griffin, please join along. I'll leave all the information down below, and everything that I've used today will be listed also down below as well. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one, and I'll see you again soon.